Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel, and if you are new, please subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. I post Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM Great British time, so that's my time. I'm in the UK, and for this series to continue we are making Abigail's Crafternoon Tea 7th birthday invitations, and for this you will need a template of a cup and a saucer. I just googled it and printed it out. Oh, white cards or pink as Abigail has gone for. Pritt stick or the cheap version as Denise has given me. Washi tape, and then pick out like scrapbook paper that you want. So this is what Abigail picked, which she likes the striped side of, don't you? Yeah. And then she's also picked the purple glitter, of course, she's nearly 7. And then that is all you really need. I also need to get tea bags, which I'm going to get like berry flavoured for her, because I think that is mostly what a 7-year-old really would like. So we're going to put them in, but I haven't got them yet and it was raining, so I was not going to Asda to get them. So I'm just going to get them tomorrow with my mum and I'll put them in and show you anyway. But now I'm going to teach Abigail how to make these with me, because she is making them now too, and we'll go and carry on showing you. So first of all, you need to cut your template out with some scissors. Oh, also, by the way, we've got pens. We've got different colour pens because that's how we're going to write all like the Crafternoon stuff out, but I'll be writing that bit because it needs to be neat, and yeah. So, and a ruler I've got as well because I've not got line paper. So first of all, we're going to cut our template out and we'll be back once our template's cut out. Okay, so my eyesight is really dodgy, clearly. These aren't white, these are lilac, but they looked white in the shop. But what we've done is we've made sure that they open and close correctly. We've put the template on, ignore Abigail's crisps, and we've made sure that the line on the edge of the cup lines up here, and then we are going to draw around each of them. These were packs of 10 from Hobbycraft, so I'm going to draw around them now, and Abigail's doing hers in pink, the same, because I've taught her how to do it. So now the card looks like that. You can see that it joins still, and there's the bit there. We're going to cut this out so it makes the tea cup shape. So this is my teacup now, and I'm going to open it and fold it back the other way so it stays. And with the glue, I'm going to glue all of this round here and just leave a little pouch for the tea bag to go in. But first, before I glue it together, I really think I should get a tea bag out. So next you need to get your saucer bit and pick what colour you are using, which obviously Abigail will tell me what, and I will cut that bit out next and go from there. Okay, so this is my saucer and this is my cup. So what I'm doing now, do I want it that way or do I want it that way? I want it that way. So what I'm going to do now is glue the back here of the cup with the glue that is purple. And then you just put that on the saucer, like so.
Is Grandma watching this?
Not yet, but she will do.
They will like it.
Yep.
Everybody will like it.
So that's now the back of your cup. and this is the front. And obviously this still opens, but we will shut this. I'm going to get tea bag out now to show you what it's like. And then I'll just do some faint lines on here and then write out what we want. In fact, that would be nice if it opened, but I don't think we're going to have it opened. But yeah, so I'll be back when I've found the tea bag. So this is my mum's tea bag, what she has at mine. I'm not sure what ones I'll get yesterday, but this is an average size tea bag. So I'm just going to draw around it, or like a rough shape, so I know what I can glue. So I glue outside it. So I'll just remove this for now. I want ones that are on string, so hopefully that's what will happen. I'm not a tea bag person. I'm not a tea drinker.
Sorry.
Okay, so I've pretty much glued that, and now I'm just going to fold that back over and make sure that is glued down, and when it's dry this will hang out of the gap like that. And then I want to string off, and that's when, which I'll show you tomorrow, that's when I'll put on the washi tape. I think we're going for the pink sparkly washi tape, is that right? On the end of the tea bag thing, so that just adds that little bit of effect to it.
And this one.
And and the bunting one. And I'm allowed to use the bunting one too. I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines on, well 6 really. So with my ruler, I am going to just mark off 6 centimetres, like each centimetre. Okay, so they're my lines. I will rub them out after. You're okay? I'm going to write the posh words, yeah?
What posh words?
Like the curly words and stuff, yeah? So that we know who it's from. It's proper and professional.
Yeah, can I write those names?
Yeah, you can write the name. I'll do the rest, okay? And then, yeah, I'll rub out all of that information. Then I've just realised that the tea bag is where the person's name goes. So, using my leftover bit of card I've got, I'm just going to cut a square. This will make 2. And then in here you just put dear whoever. Abigail, who, I'm just doing a practice, I'm doing your one, aren't I? So, dear
Abigail. That's my name.
Abigail.
That's my name.
And then with my washi tape, what colour? Sparkly. Yeah, that one?
No.
What one? Both of them ones?
Yeah.
Them 2, okay. Then with my washi tape.
Both?
Both of them. Along the bottom of your, what would be like what your tea bag is. You probably can just see my hand, which I don't want. There's that, so I put it on like that. And then because I've put the extra bit here, I'm just going to fold that over.
And the other bit?
And the other bit. And then cut. And make sure that stays right. And then she wants this one on it too.
And the top?
No, so it goes at the bottom too.
Something.
Well done. So this will hang off the tea bag that it goes in here. So like that, say. And then I need a bit of string, but that will hook onto the Dear Abigail, so it's like a cup of tea basically. So this is my adaptation to my Crafternoon Tea invite that I've just shown you, or will be showing you, and this is just purely because the 6-year-old my 6-year-old niece picked the colours and everything. Actually, it's turned out really good, and you can tell it's for like a kids party, but it's the same for a Crafternoon Tea, whatever colour you would pick, which obviously is what I've picked anyway. So it's Abigail's 7th birthday Crafternoon Tea. It's like a teacup with the tea bag. You'd put the person's name on here, fill it all in, and it's sparkly. But yeah, I'll show you the adult way of it. But this is like an adaptation of it and how you could do it if you wanted a little bit extra. Actually, I let her pick whatever she wanted, which is because I'm her auntie and I let her do whatever she wants. But actually, I think it's really turned out well with the sparkle, glitter, and then all the writing, and then the tea bag as well with the pink washi tape, sparkly washi tape and the hearts. And again, she picked it all. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so as you all have seen from Abigail's, because Abigail's are now finished and complete, this was just my example one. We didn't do the lines, which I wouldn't do anymore. And I've just filled it in like that. But we didn't use tea bags as well, so I'm going to show you now how I did the pretend tea bag. So I just used a bit of grey wool, which I will cut. Then for the tea bag bit, which is this one's obviously what we did for Abigail, Dear Abigail. Instead of doing it as single card, I do it as double. So cut it on the fold underneath, like where you cut the cup, basically. And then using, let me get some out. So I will show you how I did that again. I'll do it with another bit of card. So on the fold, I literally, well, I just did this as a template one. I got my scissors and cut myself a tea bag, and then all I did was open it up with the bit of string I have already cut. I used sellotape, and then I sellotaped it in place on the fold, and then with the Pritt stick I just glued down one side so it then fold it and it will stick. Then with my washi tape, I've got 2 lots of washi tapes because that's what we've decided on. Let me find the end. So on the end, I go just a little bit over and stick it down. This glitter tape doesn't seem to stick as well. And then I just match it up. And then with my scissors, I just cut it in place, like so. And then with the other washi tape, which we used were the hearts, Again, I just use the exact same technique, but it's the other side rather than the same side that the folded bit over is on. You can use it like a big fold over or a little one, it doesn't really matter. Like that, and then cut it again. Now Abigail took my sister came and picked up the invites the other day, so I don't have them, so I don't have the pink pen to do this, so I'll just do it in the blue. Dear Abigail. And then with the sellotape, so this is because obviously we didn't use a tea bag, but with the sellotape, again, take a bit and put it on your string. And then in here, instead of doing the gap like this, we just left it open, and then I put this in and glued it after, but just to show you, I can do it this way. And then glue, just glue along here, or for you would glue it back in shape. And then there is your cup of tea invite with the tea bag hanging out of it. And that is a simple, easy way to make a afternoon tea or crafternoon tea invite. For business-wise in the future, for flyers, I wouldn't use something like this. I might show you that more in the future when things are more serious. But for now, this is good for an invite, and if you're hiring my services or something like that for Crafternoon Tea, I guess, then you could use something like this as your invite. And that is it for today's video. I hope you are enjoying my Crafternoon series, Crafternoon Tea series even, and I can't wait to show you more into the making and baking and every element of it basically. And I hope you really enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you would host a Crafternoon Tea or if you would be interested in going to one. Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post, and I'll see you on Monday and Wednesday for my normal videos and Saturday for the next lot of the Crafternoon Tea series. Bye!